A farmer in Kenya grows coffee beans, sold to a cafe in Italy, brewed for a tourist from Japan who pays using a credit card processed in the United States. One transaction. 4 continents. That's globalization, the invisible web connecting economies, cultures, and people like never before. Welcome back to the Learning Studio, where we turn economics into stories that stick. Today's topic, part of our Global and Applied Economics series, will explain what globalization really means, the forces driving it, its benefits, challenges, and lasting impact on our economies. The full economics playlist is linked below in the description. What is globalization? Globalization is the process by which countries become more interconnected through trade, investment, technology, and cultural exchange. It's not new. The ancient Silk Road was an early example, but in the last few decades, it's accelerated like never before. Forces driving globalization. 1. Technology and communication. The internet, smartphones, and instant messaging make collaboration possible across continents in seconds. 2. Transportation. Container ships, cargo planes, and faster logistics shrink the cost and time to move goods. 3. Trade agreements. Free trade pacts lower barriers and open markets. 4. Multinational corporations. Companies operating in multiple countries spread products and services worldwide. Example: Apple designs in the US, sources parts globally, assembles in China, and sells everywhere. Economic benefits of globalization. Access to bigger markets. Businesses can sell beyond borders. Cheaper goods. Countries specialize in what they do best, reducing costs. Job creation. Export industries expand and hire more workers. Innovation and knowledge sharing. New ideas spread faster across nations. Case study: Vietnam transformed its economy by opening up to global trade, becoming a major hub for electronics manufacturing. Challenges and criticisms. Job loss in some sectors. Cheaper imports can hurt local industries. Inequality. Gains may concentrate in wealthy nations or among the rich. Cultural erosion. Global brands may overshadow local traditions. Environmental concerns. Global shipping and production can increase pollution. Example: some U.S. manufacturing towns lost jobs when companies moved production overseas to cut costs. Famous quote: "Globalization is not a choice, it's a reality, Barack Obama." The real question isn't whether it will happen, but how we manage it. Why this topic matters. Globalization explains why your local store sells mangoes in December, why economic shocks in one country ripple across the globe, and why no economy is truly isolated anymore. Understanding it helps you prepare for opportunities and challenges in a connected world. Coming up next, in our next episode, we'll explore economic growth versus economic development. Subscribe, tap the bell, and explore the full economics playlist in the description. This is the Learning Studio, making economics clear, visual, and unforgettable.